In this video, I will teach you how to remove background natively just in PowerPoint. Alright, so let's get started. As you can see on this slide, here on the left side, I inserted a photo. Of course, we can see a man, and in the background there are some walls. And we would like just to get rid of this ugly background. So how to make it? Of course, you can make it in more advanced programs like Photoshop, but also you can make it natively just from PowerPoint. Alright, so let's create a new slide. So new slide, and we need to copy and paste our original photo, so this one. So Ctrl+C to duplicate, to copy this photo, and Ctrl+V to paste this photo right here. Alright, I think we want to create a duplicate of it, so Ctrl, Shift and drag to the right. That's quite simple. Alright, and yeah, actually removing background from images is I would say a hidden feature in PowerPoint, but I will show you how to get access to that feature. So first of all, you need to select your photo. So I have already selected it. Go here to the picture format, and right here you have remove background. Just click on it. Alright, that's perfect. And as you can see right now, we have our normal colors, but also some area of this photo is pink, right? And this pink color indicates that this area will be removed. So right here we have two tools: mark areas to keep and also mark areas to remove. So as you can see, of course PowerPoint has already automatically removed some of this background, but of course PowerPoint is not so precise, so we need to make some changes manually, like here. So click here, mark areas to keep, and just draw this shape. Yeah, alright. And also here we would like to make those changes. Yeah, that's sometimes quite funny, because like I said you before, PowerPoint is not perfect tool to remove background, but if you would like, you can make it just natively in PowerPoint. Alright, here also we need to make some changes, so we need to zoom in a little bit. Alright, of course you can play around with it, less or more time. Alright, yeah, and actually if you're using Microsoft 365 subscription, then I'm sure this feature is available for you. But if you're using some of the older versions of PowerPoint like 2010, 2007, etc, etc, then I don't think you can remove background of photos in PowerPoint, but you know, just try it. Alright, I think we are nearly there, just here, this part of ear, but yeah, alright, that's perfect. And of course, as you can see right here, we would like to remove this area, so now let's change to mark areas to remove and just draw here this line. Yeah, actually, like I said before, it's not perfect tool, but that's sometimes needed. Alright, I think that's it. And of course, you have here also two options: discard all changes and keep changes. We would like to keep changes, so just click here, and as you can see, our picture, our background of this picture have been cropped, and I would like to show you that. So as you can see, if we insert this rectangle, yeah, it's quite, I would say it's not perfect, but let's say, of course, you know, in Photoshop you could make it it really more precise, but like for PowerPoint I think that's quite cool. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to our channel if you'd like to learn how to present yourself excellently. Also, if you subscribe our channel, you will not omit any of our videos, so I think that will be a good decision. And please also post a comment if you knew about this feature about removing background in PowerPoint. If you knew, just say yes, right? Because I would like just to know how many people knew about this feature. Alright guys, so have a great day and lead a happy life. Excellent slides.